Discover the elegance of luxury pocket cul-de-sac urban infill community. Let's step into a realm where elegance and unity seamlessly intertwine, shaping an artful masterpiece of luxury cul-de-sac living. Picture streets that hold stories within an enchanting neighborhood, where connections weave a vibrant sense of belonging. Family-friendly living beckons you into homes that brim with joy and shared moments, while safety stands as a prominent feature. Guided by knowledge, our community thrives within the embrace of top independent school districts, nurturing young minds with boundless horizon. Amidst it all, discover the quieter oasis, where urban chaos gives way to nature's soothing symphony. Streets become bridges, uniting connections that shape our shared experiences. Every corner carries the weight of your legacy, with our property value promises sculpting today's decisions into treasures for tomorrow. At its core, this luxury cul-de-sac community extends an invitation, a sanctuary where dreams take root and life flourishes with a genuine elegance that's truly captivating. Let's become a part of a lifestyle that redefines sophistication and living with Netze Homes Luxury Pocket Community Builder.